Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw an arrow or an arrowed line on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Okay, so this is how I do it. Let me just remove that example arrow here. I use the pen tool for that, right? So navigate to your design or document here on Affinity, then navigate to the Vector Studio and choose the pen tool. You may also use the shortcut P for that. Then set your start point. The end point, you may also stabilize the line by pressing left shift, and as you can see it features already arrows because I have adjusted it through the edit stroke settings here. So you will need to navigate to this button, click into it, and then here click into the start or end point. It depends on which direction you want these arrows to point to. So the start point will probably look to the left or point to the left, and the end point to the right. Click into the drop-down menu and choose the type of your arrow. So you can go, for example, with one like that, and do the same for the endpoint, right? So, and then you may also click into that drop-down next to it and adjust the size of the arrowhead, and do the same for the other arrow. That's how it works, guys. So that's how you draw an arrow, an arrowed line on Affinity Designer. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.